gonna drift, Miata.
Yeah, we'll get some slides in with the Miata and see what happens. And then we're gonna go to Buffalo Wild Wings and get some sick 70-cent wings because it's Thursday. Is that right?
Yes.
And we're gonna get a discount on wings, and then we're gonna see what happens. And that's gonna be the
Video
video.
camera converts the picture into a television signal.
We made it to Buffalo Wild Wings. We're gonna get some grubbin.
You didn't get my skid on video.
We're gonna get some grubbin, and then we're gonna figure out something to do, and we'll see you guys then. We just got done at Buffalo Wild Wings, and Anthony is about to kill us because this Miata and this traction, in this weather, just, you know, with the ball tires up front and the 60 horsepower in the back.
Semi-ball tires in the back there.
It's just not,
Check the sky boy.
it's not really keeping traction very well. Yeah, so I mean, wish us luck on this trip home. If we die, we die.
Oh, and our waitress was like low-key, passive, like aggressive.
No, she wasn't.
Yes, she was.
She's just a baby.
No.
And likes to be a baby.
No,
she got us water awesomely amount.
Awesomely amount. No, she was mean.
No, she wasn't mean.
Low-key.
No, she wasn't.
She was making fun of you.
No, she wasn't.
No, she wasn't.
She got us water
liked you, she
before
liked
we
you.
even needed them. She made sure we had what we needed. She gave us napkins and everything. She was awesome.
And she took my order. She made me look like an idiot because she didn't hear it right.
No, she was just clarifying.
No, she was like,
Good service.
she's like,
Nope.
no, you're fucking wrong.
So me and Anthony ended up not really doing anything. I just came home and I've been streaming some Call of Duty. And that's kind of just been the day today. It's been raining outside, so there just really hasn't been much to do. And I don't know when it's raining, and it's just like it's more of a cozy time than a let's get out and do things type of day. I don't know, just when it's raining, I just want to sleep. I just want to go to bed. So that's it for this Vlogmas vlog. Tomorrow is a video of a crash, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys in the next one.